This conference will now be recorded.
I'm calling you. Today we'll develop ALV Interact report to see customers' sales orders information in different windows. So in the ALV Interact report, I want to accept the selected range of customers. Show output 1 of customers information list information, okay, of all records, of all fields into grid window from KNA1. Okay, again here selection of customer number. Okay, again show output 2 of customer sales orders information of all records of all fields into grid window from VBAC. Again, selection of order number. Show output 3 of order items materials list information of all records into grid window from VBAP. Material material, but I am what materials list. I mean whatever that order items materials list. So one order maybe 4 or 5 items like this. So here I want to generate 3 outputs with ALU interact. Okay, yeah, note this ALU report in your book, please. Copied. Package Marshall did. So first I have to provide report configuration. No standard page heading and message -id and ZB12 web underscore MSG class. Okay, fine. So when you go for declarations, here three outputs. I'll say IT KNA1 underscore KNA1 type table of KNA1 comma again IT underscore VBAC type table of VBAC again IT underscore VBAC type table of VBAC. The three internal table, three outputs I want to display. Correct. Good. Now I am declaring one variable v1 type kny1-2. Now this is for range. The next, let us declare global structures. Type -puts colon SLS. Now I need to declare events. I'll declare ITE type SLS underscore T underscore event, comma, and work area event type SLS underscore ALV underscore event. Good. Because we have to assign the event details for selection. Good. So let us design a template screen. So selection screen. V1 with frame. Let us accept customers for V1 obligatory. Selection screen. End of block V1. Good. So let us start process. Start of selection. I'll write one subroutine. Perform subroutine underscore OpenSQL1 for first output. And let us show for output. So end of selection. Here I'll write case Sabasi. When 0, that means if records found, I'll show perform subroutine underscore output 1. So when 4, I'll say message yes triple zero, no data found. End case. So for all same code only, there is no any difference. Okay. So let me double click on OpenSQL 1 subroutine. Select yes. It is not coming. That means something wrong with perform spelling. Okay. So it is unable to recognize perform. That's why. Okay. Again, double click on OpenSQL 1. So select yes. Again, double click on subroutine underscore output 1. Select yes. Okay. So this is okay. So SQL 1. This is get customers. This is okay. Output 1. Customers. Okay. Here I'll mention select star because all the fields into table IT underscore KNA1 from KNA1 where Kunnar in range of customer here. Good. So far so good. Now I want to display here. So before display, first interactive purpose, I have to assign events. For interactive. Once again. Code is coming little small. Huh? So if you see a little bit more, then it is interesting. You can see the clarity of the code. Okay. So it's more comfortable to see online students. Okay. So now first I have to assign the event. Here I'm mentioning work area event hyphen name equal to within quotes user underscore command I am mentioning. So this event is for what? Selection of data. Again, work area event hyphen form. Here I'll write in quotes some subroutine underscore selection. So in this I'll write the selection of data code. And I'll mention append work area event to ITE because I have to assign this ITE to call function model. And clear work area event. Good. Now I want to display output grid window. Okay, select from menu bar pattern. And I'll mention reuse underscore ALV underscore grid underscore display and press it. Here in the function model, we have to assign very important things I underscore callback foreground. Why? When you click first output, again it has to go back to report code, execute next output logic. It has to call back foreground. No? If you don't mention callback, interact will not select. So here I will mention I underscore callback program equal to. I'll specify sy-c proc. It substitutes system field variable to callback program report code name. Again, structure name, title, and again we need to assign events.
Sir, if we are removing the star, what difference does it make?
That means removing star means we have to give parameters. Okay, so exception not necessary for this learning, but real time you should keep exceptions. Here I underscore structure name equal to. I'm getting the first output from KNA1. I'll write within quotes KNA1 and grid title. I will show customer list. Select customer. Okay. Show sales. You should not give more than 40 characters because this import parameter width is 40. And in events equal to, you need to mention ITE and T underscore tab equal to IT underscore KNA1. Full stop. Okay. Understand? Got the point here. Here, very important thing is once it displayed the customers in the output in the grid window, when you double click on field name, automatically IT underscore events files. Automatically reads ITE. It go back to execute user underscore command for selection and searches where is this subroutine. So now here we have to write a subroutine. ALB interact to selection of data. Here I'll write one subroutine here. Form subroutine underscore selection. Here two parameters I'll mention. PB1 type sy-u form using another parameter I'll mention PB2 type SLS underscore self field. Why we have to declare two parameters for this subroutine? This is a standard rule. In PB1, it returns user selected option. Function code will be their event. In PB2, SLS go self field structure, PB2 field name returns selected field name, PB2 value selected value. Okay, understanding? So here I'll write clearly for the notes for you. PB2 PB2 hyphen returns selected field and PB2 hyphen value returns selected value. Okay, good. So in between form and form, okay, here I'll mention I want to know what is the field name and value. I'll take one variable here, data output type string. I'll mention concatenate pb2 hyphen field name pb2 hyphen value into output separated by within quotes one hyphen symbol. Okay. Then I want to display the message output type I. So whenever you click, it will tell you whatever you selected. Okay. So now I'm going to save. Check this object spelling mistake. Or selection screen spelling.
Screen, sir, app.
Okay. So now I'll select 1000, 1010. When you press separate, first output you'll get. Okay. I'll double click on jewelry. What happens? PV- field name. What's the PV- value? I'll double click on 1003. See, PV- field name is Kunal, and customer number is 1003. Now I have to pick up this 1003. I have to get 1003 sales orders from BBAC. But in BBAC, Kunnar having sold to party in zeros leadings. 6 zeros 1003. In the front end, when you click, you are getting 1003. But in the database in BBAC, Kunnar having zeros lead, 10 characters. 1003, how many characters? 4. There in the database, 10 characters. 4 cannot match to 10. Na? What you have to do it, we have to fill this is also zeros. Yes. So what I will do now here. So you understand interactive selection. How it is displaying the selected value and field name. Correct? Yes or no? So here I'll put comments for this because my logic is working. Okay. So now I am writing the code. The selection of customer number. How do you write the code here? Here I'll write in between form and form. I'll say if pv2 field name is equal to kunr. If you click on customer number and end if I'll write. Here I'll declare one variable. Okay, data v customer in bracket 10. Type n. What is n? Num characters. Now I'll mention v customer equal to pv2 value. What happens? V customer holds leading zeros. In pv2 value 1003. When storing into v customer, it is going to store 6 leading zeros with 1003. Okay, now I need to write the logic. Get customer sets. Header. How do you write? Again, I'll write perform subroutine underscore OpenSQL2. But instead of this, we can write directly here. Select star into table it underscore bback from bback, where here sold to party is equal to what you have to mention? V customer. I am not giving pv2 value. Suppose if you give pv2 value, Kunnar is 10 characters, pv2 value is 4 characters. Will not match. Good. So if the records found, if size of bars equal to 0, then again I'll show perform subroutine underscore output 2. Else I'll say message S001 sales not found. Understanding? Good. So again I have to write subroutine output 2. So now I'll double click on subroutine output 2. Select S. So this is output 2. Sales orders. Header information. So I don't waste time. Again, the same call function I can call it. No need to select again pattern and do it all these things. Here I'll select. Here again I need to write call function. Here I need to mention I underscore call back and so on. So here you should mention be back. Okay, and here I'll say sales list. select order number, show materials. Here again we need to mention, because again if you click on this IT will pass, and here you should mention IT feedback. Let us see how it is working. Second output is coming or not, I want to know. Okay. So double click on 1005. Immediately it says very good. Double click on 1000. Again double click on sales order. I have to get items list. Yes or no?
So these orders will have all the items listed in order.
Yes. So I'll write one more logic where I'll write here only in the form subroutine I'll write interactive selection. This if condition is over, this is again I write in same form only I have to write. Okay. Next, selection of order number. How do you write? Again I mention if PB2 field name
So it's still
is equal to BBLN. Understanding? So that VBLN, yes or no? I have to get the value. Again, I'll mention data. What's it wrong?
so fields.
FIL. Yeah. And here again, we order number in bracket 10, type N. And we order number is equal to PB2 value, because here also numerical. Okay. Now I need to write get orders. Get order items. How do you write? Again, I'll mention select star into table IT underscore be back from be back, where BBLN equal to whatever we order number. If size of bars equal to 0, if it is found, again perform subroutine underscore output 3. Else, just mention message S000, the sales order no data found. End. And this will be closed with one more end. Yes, sum. We got this if for this and if, and this if for this and if. Again, I write third logic, output 3. So now I need to write the output 3. Sales order items material list. Here I mention again call function, and in this I need to mention be back. Okay, and this is sales order items list. Okay, not necessary events, because that's a final output. Good. So So first I'll set 1000 to 1010. This is the first window output. Double click on 1001, 1000 sales orders. Double click on order number 5196. Again go back, double click on order number 4971. Okay, like this we can go back. So any of the order number we can see. So double click on 5908 and go back and go back. Double click on 1002. Okay, double click on 5005. Like this end user can see in date information navigating back to back. Okay, understand? Go to the point here. So like this we can do it in ALV interactive multiple outputs. Okay, so my work is over and your work starts. Batting. Copy the code. Yeah, yeah. Start writing code. You have to copy. If it is mail now, it will be like this mail. After concept revision, if you write the code, concentration is more. Later you want to copy, it is just like Modi Xerox, Canon Xerox. So slowly start writing the code. Preparations పోయిందనుకో future you will not type.
Around 60 to 70. Can't and 100 more. जो काम करता है ना इसका मतलब क्या है बस काउंटर पे रहना है या फिर कुछ काम भी रहता है उठाने का ऐसे कुछ काम रहता है जो काम करता है तो जो काम करता है ना हाँ तो वर्क यू लाइक वर्किंग है ना फॉर पार्ट टाइम that I'm asking means you have to you want to like stand in the counter or any counter yeah or any other work like bringing the things from the go down like any other work staff receiving yes and then staff when the stock comes you pick it up or you just write it down and what else that is full time you know like 4 to 6 hours not there full time demand they are giving 6,500 for 4 hours. It is part time. Why do they not got like extra side income or it's so expensive? No extra. So you don't make money from home. Okay. 13 is enough. 6,000 must be costing money. How much? 5,000. For sharing, 5 sharing. No. For Australia charging me too much. I want to change it. 4,800. Yours. For sharing, 100. And it is taking for sharing 6,000. So much of problem. Water is not. For sharing. Water is not coming mostly. Then bed bugs are there. Sucking blood out. Yeah. So this month I'm going to change. Trying to like go, but I'm not so much good in that. So I'm not getting confidence. Any hostel? Say. I don't know bro. My hostel. Uh, Friday, Sunday night there is rice. Other every day it is chapati. Friday, Sunday. Same. But in this guy hostel, what is his name? Hemant. Food is little better. Better. Yeah, Friday they are giving egg fried rice. Huh? My hostel they are giving boiled egg and fried rice. Boiled egg and fried rice. Yeah. What type of food is that? With that aloo curry. Tuesday boiled egg. Huh? Every Tuesday boiled egg. Right. Uh, chicken curry they are giving it is good. Wednesday. And Sunday. Soup, soup, soup. Soup. Oh, soup. Buttery. Well, it is thick. And it will follow only 3 pieces. It's 4 pieces. You can take one more petrol. The main problem is water and bread also. I can't sleep peacefully. For that reason, I'm not able to study also. Asked me to complete the assignment, but I have not completed. Yes. I said, yeah. I go to them and ask, will I do it? Yeah. One is calling frequently. You practice. Practice होता है. हमारा ऑप्शन पे यहाँ पे बंदा है क्या? कोई नहीं. होगा तो पता भी चलेगा. कैसे जाने का? कैसे जाने का? How will you know that some mistake है अंदर करना? अरे मैं बोला कि कोई होगा भी तो पता नहीं चलेगा यार वो बंदा. कितने बंदे हैं कैसे पता चलेगा? फिर भी जा. फिर हम आपके सामने. शांत होने में speak what Kasi food. I don't know how to speak but पता नहीं है मुझे. थोड़ा थोड़ा ऊपर, one line up, one line up, बस
Some mediocre, some small letters.
Hmm?
Some big letters, some small letters.
Writing it is very difficult. When you type in the computer it is easy, but writing it is very tough. My hand is not ready to write. You have a profile in Naukri? Huh? Great. Try applying for fresher job and let me know.
Normally, field accounts,
Huh?
accounts, tally.
No.
I learning tally.
Could happen. Could happen. Could happen and try. Tell me what is the response. In high tech studio, Ganchgowli, in high tech studio, Ganchgowli area. You know Zoro co-living? Zoro co-living. Zoro. Like Sanjay living. Somewhat premium hostels. Premium hostel, somewhat premium. And they were maintained hostel. They are charging 7,000 for three sharing. Our hostel for the 6,000 for food sharing. And two bedrooms, no water. Last month only I was thinking of changing. But they even changed my mind. I could stay for some days. Why should I transfer my things again and again? Now it is getting very tough. Over. Writing or I might start with customers. Till that they can
Get customers.
uh, sir must have gone to drink tea. Chai. Your set is 3 p.m. to 11 a.m. 11 p.m.
What? 11 to 12.
What?
11 to 12.
No. Your shift.
Yes. 3 to 11 to 12.
Night.
Right.
So whenever my hostel is working in Tokyo, so comes at 12.
Video also 12.
Huh?
12.
12,
2 to 12.
almost 10 hours. I don't know how much he's getting, but he comes at after 12 only. No food will be there.
Because salary 11.9. Definitely 12.
Huh?
Definitely 12.
Who provides most? Definitely one. And आज तो अभी चल नहीं रहा है, पता नहीं क्या है, तो नहीं चलेगा वैसे ही हो गया। Hmm?
Almost 1 minutes plus complete.
Yes.
Starting.
Yes. I reached here up to 62. And you want to structure. Slow.
Exactly.
Good. That's nobody saying anything.
Where?
Star out to customers.
Okay.
From the customers, I said interactive. Interactive.
Where is the store?
Till interactive. वही name, WA name, work area name, work area build.
Okay.
Little bit up, little bit more was lots of code, bro. It takes only 20 minutes to copy down. So we start one.
You will be there.
हो गया इंटर क्या MBA करना है।
Yes.
तेरा हॉस्टल में एडवांस है नहीं है? तेरा हॉस्टल में एडवांस लेते हैं नहीं लेते? एडवांस एडवांस मनी। हाँ कितना आएगा सर?
500.
तो जाने से पहले बोलेगा तो ठीक हो जाएगा।
There was starting there.
No, no. And when you want to vacate now, before some days you will inform him, then you will return that 500 rupees back.
No.
That is huh? That 500 is the maintenance.
भैया
Return नहीं देगा। सोर्स देगा ना, रिटर्न देता है नहीं देता? देता है ना?
Still coming. I thought you completed. Yeah, you came to subroutine. If you write once now, you will become stronger. Later, if you write concept not clear, you will forget about concept that time. When you copy, the concept will not realize. Now you listen to concept. Now if you write, your brain scanner is more. It become revenue stamp to you in the brain. Yes. See, Suresh kept bag cap. Logic should not go out.
No, sir, I've cut the hair very
Very
short.
hard. Next month 45.
No, not what, sir. I've cut the hair very short. That's very,
Why you cut the hair short?
sir, dandruff.
Hmm?
Dandruff.
Dandruff.
Yes, sir.
మా సైడ్ పార్టీ నుంచి
Hmm?
మా సైడ్ పార్టీ
Sir, sir, from this place only, sir, it will become more hotter
Mm-hmm.
because humidity is high. For that reason, it feels more.
Oh my God, Bhubaneswar is very hot, humidity.
Yes, sir. For humidity, it feels more hotter.
You can't stay in Bhubaneswar.
I have been habituated, but just
Hyderabad is Hyderabad. First is Bangalore. First is Kerala. Second Bangalore.
no, sir. Actually, the
In Kerala, summer is not hot because a lot of plants.
no, sir, Bhubaneswar also means, forest cover and greenery is there, but it is very hot.
Yeah.
Here in the night, you are not feeling hot. It's in the evening also. Bhubaneswar this time also evening it is very hot.
Mm.
So when you first learned tablet, you didn't face any challenges. When you first learned tablet, you didn't face any challenge.
You didn't face?
So when you learned tablet for this first time,
Mm.
you didn't face any challenge.
Challenge means?
Not able to understand some concepts. Struggling with code something.
No. I am already with .NET C Sharp code, Bay of Bengal.
No, sir, I think when you learned first.
Anything new, but I like this code. हाँ
सर थोड़ा ऊपर कर दीजिए.
थोड़ा ऊपर कर दिया
बस सर, बस. pause the recording. I can't pause the recording. Recording.
In recording also, it will be going on.
I'm sleeping. Yeah, almost 18 minutes. Almost.
Okay.
But this is normal or more is it?
What? Yeah. Copied everyone. So what I have to know, I'll send the mail to you. Okay. Code also I'll send mail for reference in mail. Okay. Still March, April 4 today.
4 years.
God,
No, sir, 3, sir.
April 3rd. Correct. Today's okay. Yes. Okay. Fine. So I'll also send this along with this recording. Okay. Fine. Yeah. Okay then. That's enough for today. Tomorrow I'll give access. So tomorrow ALV interact with call transaction will work out. Okay. Fine. Yeah. See you tomorrow 11 o'clock. మొత్తం వైండ్ అప్ అయిపోయారు కోడ్ రాసుకోవడం